Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to use screen recording using Microsoft PowerPoint. To use screen recording in PowerPoint, you can do the following. Open PowerPoint and create a blank presentation. Select the Insert tab, then click Screen Recording. Then choose the area to record. Click Record to start. To stop recording, press Windows plus Shift plus Q. Now you can use the video in your presentation. If you want to save the recording as video file, right-click on it and select Save Media As. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.